gas line, or the clamp, fishing it back, which it's not so easy to do. Now it's loose. Before I do that, I'll make sure the petcock is in the off position. So what we'll do is we'll hold the rag up here, pull the gas line up. There goes some gas. What a mess. There's no way to stop it from dripping. That's just incidental gas that was in the gas line. And then what we'll try and do here is take our funnel, we'll put our funnel up inside here to catch the gas line, and maybe I'll take a little bit of this tape, kind of set it there, and then I'll open the petcock to reserve so I make sure I get all the gas out. There it comes. So what I have to do now is remove the tape, take the funnel out, try and keep from dripping gas all over in this. Put the funnel away. Still dripping a little gas up here. Try and fish this gas line back on. Some gas in here again. Oh, what a mess. And then I'll take the hose clamp, in which you can see that this gas line, from doing this quite a few times, is starting to get a little chewed up. So I've got to try and get this thing back up there. It's loose, it's just that it doesn't want to move very well. There we go. And then so what I'll do now is I will tighten this up. Just snug. Don't want to cut the hose too much. It's already been cut up quite a bit from being pulled on and off. You may ask why I go through all this trouble, and that's because unleaded gas in California contains ethanol, which in turn turns to varnish and plugs small engine carburetors. So what I've done is I've installed the Motion Pro Quick Disconnect by Motion Pro into my fuel line from my tank petcock to the carburetor, and I've also included a fuel filter too to keep the gunk out. So this will make my fuel drains a lot easier, and I'll demonstrate what we're doing here. Is I've taken and I have this clear hose that I've taken a Mel fitting to the Motion Pro and attached it. I keep a little dust cover on here, as you can see. Put this down right here. So what I'll do is I'll disconnect this and I'll connect the hose up to it. Nice firm connection. You can hear it click. And then there's a gas can here below I'll show you, but I'll hook the hose up inside that. And then I turn the petcock to reserve, and I let all the fuel drain out of the bike. I'll just go do something for a little bit or clean the bike while it drains. Easy disconnect and connect. There's the gas can with the fuel draining into it. So I'll come back in a minute and I will finish it off and connect it back up. Okay, so the fuel is all drained out. I'll lift the hose up a little bit to get a little residual there. I'll turn the petcock back off. I will disconnect the drain hose, a couple little drops there. not as messy as before. And take this and pull it out. Put the little dust cover cap back on it, and I'll put it back in my toolbox. And then I will connect the fuel line back up.